Hey guys, Jess Star here at the Star team with Keller Williams Legacy Partners, standing inside our adorable new listing. This one is 101 Hedgehog Lane, nestled on a private, lush, beautiful lot surrounded by stone walls. You're not going to want to miss this one. This one just screams charm of New England throughout. Updated kitchen, all remodeled, new cabinets, tumbled marble backsplash with nice recessed lighting, many new windows throughout, stainless appliances, granite countertops. They've got updated bathrooms as well, a beautiful mudroom too that's also heated right back there. Perfect for all your extra storage, 2-car garage, 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, great finished basement, about a total of 2,100 square feet in this beautiful home. What you're also gonna love is the privacy. It's tucked away yet close to everything. So many improvements from the septic system, vinyl siding, lots of new windows here, great mudroom as I said back there. Nice open concept here between the kitchen and the dining area. Fresh paint throughout, new lighting, nice private patio too. Backs up to open space, and really you're less than 10 minutes to Route 44. You're close to the soccer fields, close to hiking and biking trails, and that extra space finish in the lower level really adds a lot so that you can entertain, have a family room, have a workout room, another office. There is hardwood floors throughout. You're not going to want to miss it. This one is just adorable. It is sure to fly off the market, so you better give us a call if you want more information. 860-325-2484, or you can visit us at thestarteam.com. We look forward to helping you make your dreams come true too. Make it a great day.